Hi, my name is Sean LaPointe, and I'm the co-founder of LaPointe Brothers along with my brother Eric. We're a general contracting company based in La Crescenta, and we specialize on building and renovating homes throughout the foothills and the rest of LA County. Our roots run deep here in the foothills. We've lived here for over 20 years. Our kids have gone to LaSalle and St. Francis, so all the foothill communities are close to our heart. The night of the fires, my family was watching the footage of the Eaton Fire unfold. We were on high alert, not only because we live not too far from Altadena, but also because at the time we were about 8 months into building a new home in Altadena on Olive Avenue. So the morning of January 8th, I was driving east on Woodbury trying to get into Altadena to check on the house we were building, but the smoke was so thick I couldn't even reach Lincoln. There were cars streaming out of Altadena and the fire department had set up roadblocks everywhere. I ended up turning down side streets and saw people trying to save their houses with garden hoses. To me, a house is more than just another building or another project for us to take on. A house makes a home, a family makes a home. This is really what's at stake, not just buildings, but homes and families, the very fabric of the community. We've been building in Altadena and Pasadena for years now, and in fact, one of my first projects as a general contractor was a full house remodel on Canyon Crest all the way up Lincoln. Now we are proud to be part of the rebuilding process here in Altadena as we help families get their homes back and help put the community back together. Here we are at our current rebuild on Mount Curve, which is all the way up lake. The house that was here was about 1,574 square feet. We're rebuilding a new 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, about 1,764, and a new 2-car garage. Our client had their own architecture firm draw the plans, and the plans were approved in October. We've just finished clearing the lot. The Army Corps left behind some burned trees, broken retaining walls, and big boulders. We've already passed a few inspections, the first one being our pre-construction inspection, and we just passed our first underground plumbing inspection. The sewer lateral was located. We connected a new 4-inch ABS line that will serve as the main line. We've also had Rubio Water Company and the gas company come out to give us their requirements for new service. We've already got a new meter from the water company and a new 1.5-inch copper supply line that'll feed the house, and that was upsized from the previous service to handle fire sprinklers, as all new homes will require those. We've also got a new gas line coming in from the street that'll eventually go out to the meter that SoCal Gas will connect to. Right now, our main task is to get the lot properly graded per the plans, both for drainage and also for proper compaction. So we've removed all the rocks from the dirt, and we're getting the building pad compacted to the soils engineer specs. Once that's wrapped up, we'll get the engineer out here to test the soil and give us a compaction report. Then we can have the county inspector give us the okay to start work on foundations. There's a lot of moving parts to building a house, but we've done this so many times over the years that it's almost second nature to us. There are a lot of newer contractors that have popped up recently and a lot of contractors coming in from other states and other areas, unfortunately trying to take advantage of this situation. We've had some homeowners quoted upwards of $800 to $1,000 a square foot, and unless you're building a very high-end or hillside luxury home, that kind of pricing just doesn't make any sense. We want to let homeowners who are planning to rebuild know that we're here for you, we'll price your project fairly, and we're ready to get started on your project. We've got the experience and the manpower to help you rebuild, and we're proud to serve our community. Contact us today and put us to work for you.